Lots. It's hard to count, yeah. There's loads of teal though. It's probably the most we've had on any site I've seen around here.
To see, even this early in the project, how much bird life it's attracted, it's excellent.
It'll be exciting to see how the project develops. How do you tell the difference between a teal and a lapwing?
The teals are more of like a traditional duck shape, whereas lapwings have more of like an oar shape to their wings. It's really exciting because it's so new, seeing all the birds and all the wildlife that's coming so early and so soon. So it'd be great to see how it transforms over time.
We have a vision for something we're calling the Great North Fen. We're at a place called Ricknell, one end really of a large marsh which had persisted since the end of the Ice Age. And then in the 19th and 20th centuries, the landscape was drained for agricultural improvement, and that obviously dramatically changed the habitats. And what we are trying to do here is to put some of that wildlife interest back. We're really trying to make a significant difference over the next 10, 20 years and put some of that post-glacial meltwater lake back in the modern day. We've excavated scrapes, and in winter they will fill with water and provide that open water habitat that favours those species. And in the summer, as the land dries, we'll retain wetter areas, and that should have more invertebrates, and they're the food that some of those birds like lapwings need to feed their young.
We were just making sure that the sluices were all functioning properly. We need to be able to move the sluices up and down and to control the water levels on site to benefit all of the wonderful birds that you've seen today.
It's a heron. See the heron flying in the end of the scrape? There's been lots of them today.
What the grant money from LNER has allowed us to do is to construct more of these wetland scrapes and provide a bigger area of habitat which will benefit more species. People in the surrounding area will be able to benefit and experience nature up close.
I find that it helps with my mental health, and I'm helping wildlife, and I'm always learning something as well. I find that I enjoy learning new things about wildlife. I want to try and protect what we've got and give the wildlife a bit of a chance.
It'll just be a long-term ongoing thing, and to see how the fen develops and all how the plants here will change. It's really exciting.
It's a really fantastic opportunity to really see nature recover. I think the scale of the site and what you can see today is just absolutely wonderful to be a part of.
If you're at Darlington Station heading north, keep your eyes open, and after a few minutes you'll enter a large flat landscape which is the Durham cars. So you want to be sat on the left hand side of the train, and you'll get a sight of Ricknell cars as you move north.